Hello everyone, today we are going to make a little cute lettuce bacon sandwich. It's very simple. Cut the pork belly into thin slices, like this thin. Marinate the pork. 1 spoon of 5 spice powder, 2 spoons of light soy sauce, 1/2 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of chicken powder. Chicken powder is like this. Mix it well. Fry the pork belly both sides golden and brown. Both sides 2 minutes is okay. Use medium heat. Each side 2 minutes is good. Wash some lettuce. Put 1 piece of pork belly between 2 lettuce. Try this, it's very yummy, crunchy. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I wish you happy every day.